Hi David, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And upon looking here, it's a beautiful site. Whoever built this did a pretty good job adding some call to actions here, which really help people that land on your site turn into customers. It's easier for them to get a hold of you. The layout is really nice of the site. Something I am noticing here is that there's not enough content on your site. And the reason we want more content is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. And so they are looking through content of the websites, and they're checking through if you have any keywords in here. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your site, and you want specific keywords embedded in that content. So an example of a keyword would be Tulsa Foundation Repair. First thing that it pulls up are some ads. And then this section right here is called the Google Map Pack. And so you really want to be in this top 3 section here because 30 to 40% of business goes to this section, and the higher up you are, the more people that are clicking on your site. A lot of people aren't going to want to click this more businesses here. So we want to outrank these businesses by having a Google profile, Google My Business profile. You want to make sure you have 5-star reviews, photos, and more citations than these businesses that are here. And if you scroll down, this is the organic listing section. We're going to skip this Angie's List and the BBB. So you all are number 1 organically, so that is awesome because the rest of the business usually comes from this section. And so you guys are going to be getting some good traffic from being in the number 1 spot for this keyword. So what we'd want to do is we'd want to make sure that you're number 1 in this spot on all the keywords and any of the service locations that you're at for all the services that you provide, as well as up here in the map packs. I did take a look at Foundation Repair OKC. Looks like you are running an ad in that section, so I see that you see the importance of it. So the same thing here, we'd want to get you in this top section in the top 3, as well as get you ranking for this keyword as well. So let's pull up the number 1 ranking for Foundation Repair OKC, which is Powerlift Foundation Repair. And if we pull them up, they have some call to actions. They do not have enough content though. So if we go to the back end, what's going on with their site, we see that their power and their trust factor is 33 and 26. And so what makes these numbers here are backlinks, which come from other domains. So it's other websites linking to your website. So it's kind of like a shout out. So that's a backlink. And Google is a big popularity contest, so we want to have those shout outs. So if we compare your website to this one here, you are outranking them with your power and your trust, which is really good. So what we could do to get you ranking on the organic list, it wouldn't be that difficult to have you ranking higher than them in the other locations as well. We would just have to make sure that we have those keywords for those locations. So some of the organic keywords that they are getting traffic from, some of these are going to apply to that ad that you have running. The Foundation Repair OKC, 450 people are searching a month. Foundation Repair Oklahoma City, 450 people searching a month. Foundation Repair Tulsa, 400 searching a month. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350. Oklahoma City Foundation Repair, 450. So there are a lot of people searching for just this one specific service in those couple cities. And so what we'd want to do is get you ranking for those so that you're not spending a ton of hard-earned cash for these ads here. We want to make sure that you are just organically ranking. So if you want to take those tips and implement them today, you can start seeing some results. Sometimes it does take time. Or if you'd like help, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.